Should I use bio oil? No. Should I just stop there? Okay, this is why. Bio oil is the UK, but also globally, the leading oil for stretch marks, scarring. They've done an incredible job. And I will hold my hands up and say that I have used it. So in my lifetime, I have used it. But when you really start to look at the ingredients, this is why. Number one, its major ingredient, the biggest percentage of that bottle is paraffin liquidum, which is a derivative of the petroleum industry. It's the cheapest oil option there is. Your belly, if you're pregnant, or your scars would much, much prefer and work with a seed oil, a really rich omega fatty acid nutritional seed oil, something like rosehip, vitamin E, jojoba, sunflower, anything that's not a cheap, inert petroleum derivative. Next up, the color in that bottle is fake. If you look at the ingredient, it's actually got color additives. Like, that's just crazy. That's because paraffin liquidum is so cheap, it's completely clear, and they want it to look like a beautiful, rich, golden oil. So they're having to fake in the color. Like, that should tell you something. The other thing that's in there that's a bit odd is BHT, if you look through the ingredient list, which is actually banned in the EU in the food manufacturing and preservatives because of its potential risks. I really don't think it should be in there. No, don't use it, but, and this is the big but, putting on really strong, nourishing oil and massaging will help. Will make a difference, potentially will support your skin more to avoid stretch marks, and the massaging movement, if we're talking about scars, will help break them down as well. So, whilst I say no, you have to find a really good alternative instead. And I would always suggest looking for an organic one, a cold press one, or carbon dioxide extracted. It will probably be more expensive, but your skin will thank you for it. YouTube, thanks for watching. Short and sweet on this one. It's a definite no. So please give it the thumbs up, subscribe below, and share this with anyone you know that has them in their bathroom or has just got pregnant and is going to start worrying about their bump.